Students, Sai Ram. I hope you all have read the new words which I have taught you in the previous period. Now let's move on towards our lesson. But before starting our lesson, we will again revise the same new words today. And we will read these new words twice. Our first word is caves. 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 Our second word is hunted. 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 Our next word is invention. 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 Our next word is objects. 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 Our next word is circular. 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 Our next word is mankind. 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 Our next word is vehicles. 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 Our next word is cart. 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 Our next word is windmill. 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 Our next word is earlier. 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 Our next word is heavy. 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 Our next word is machines. 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 Our next word is logs. 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 Our next word is discovered. 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 And our last word is sparks. 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 Today we have read the new words again. Now we will start the lesson. We have already learned in our previous period that early humans lived many thousands of years ago. Today, we live in a proper built house, but the early humans they lived in caves and forests. Today, people know how to grow food, cook food, and build house. But in earlier days, that is many thousands of years ago, when early humans used to live, that time early humans did not know how to grow food, cook food, and build house. Kids, today we see number of vehicles on road, but in earlier days there were no vehicles. As there was no vehicles, the early humans used to walk from one place to other place. But today we use number of vehicles to travel from one place to other place. As there were no vehicles in the earlier times when early humans used to live, the early humans used to carry heavy loads by themselves or with the help of animals. Nowadays, we use knife for cutting, but in earlier days, early humans used some of these tools. Early humans hunted the animals with a sharp tool called spear. They hunted the animals for eating and used their skin for making clothes. Students, one more time we will revise what we have learned today. Early humans lived many thousands of years ago. They lived in caves and forests. Early humans did not know how to grow food, cook food, and build house. In earlier days, there were no vehicles. The early humans used to walk from place to place. People used to carry heavy loads by themselves or with the help of animals. These are some tools which are used by early humans. Early humans hunted the animals with a sharp tool called spear. They hunted the animals for eating and used their skin for making cloths. Students, we will revise the new words again. First, caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. Hunted. H-U-N-T-E-D. Hunted. H-U-N-T-E-D. Hunted. Invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Invention. Objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S. Objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S. Objects. Circular. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R. Circular. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R. Circular. Mankind. M-A-N-K-I-N-D. Mankind. M-A-N-K-I-N-D. Mankind. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. CLES, vehicles. Cart, CART, cart. CART, cart. Windmill, WINDMILL, windmill. WINDMILL, windmill. Earlier, 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 earlier. Heavy, HEAVY, heavy. HEAVY, heavy. Machines, MACHINES, machines. MACHINES, machines. Logs, LOGS, logs. LOGS, logs. Discovered, DISCOVERED, discovered. DISCOVERED, discovered. And the last word, sparks, SPARKS, sparks. SPARK. Friends, I hope you all have understood the lesson till here. We will learn some more things about early humans in our next period. Till then, you all read the new words and solve the worksheet. Thank you.